Hi everyone and welcome to Perimaskitchen. I am Selena and I'm so happy to be back. Today I'm making a mince pilau. It's a simple, humble dish that can go a long way. It feeds many mouths and I hope you enjoy my recipe. I call it magic in a pot for a reason. It's like biryani but less work. Before you start cooking, rinse off 2.5 cups of basmati rice, then soak it in some boiling water. While your basmati rice is soaking, to your hot oil add some diced onions and green chillies. We want to get a slight browning on our onions. Add some bay leaves as well, and then we can add some whole spices. I added some star anise and just a few cinnamon sticks. Remember, with pilau we don't want too much of action happening with our whole spices. We rather have it ground. Next, 2 tablespoons of masala, followed by 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder. This gives it a lovely color. Followed by 1 teaspoon of roasted Dhania powder, which is our coriander, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, which is our Jeera. Next, a heaped teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of biryani mix, that's our ground biryani mix. Again, we don't want whole spices, we want it ground, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Elachi powder or cardamom. We're going to mix it slightly in the oil just to release all those flavors. But before we do, 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic. You can turn down your temperature or turn it off if you feel more comfortable. We are now going to add my mince. I'm using lamb mince. This is 500 grams of mince. Break it up so they can separate. You don't want to have clumps of mince in your pilau. So after you've taken some time out to separate it, add some salt. And we're going to let it cook. Because I'm using lamb mince, I won't wait too long before I add my potatoes. If you are using mutton mince, you might need to braise it a bit longer before you add your potatoes. I'm now ready. I've diced my potatoes, about 4 to 5 potatoes. You can pierce them as well if you want them to cook faster. I'm adding some boiling water and everything is going to cook all together on a medium heat. We're going to close our lid and let it cook. Once our potatoes are ready, it shouldn't take more than 25 minutes. You can check with a knife. We are now ready to add our lentils. So you could have boiled your lentils in some thyme and salt if you wanted to. Today I'm using canned lentils, 1 can. I did purchase a lot of canned goods during COVID, and that's why I'm using my canned lentils today. Give your curry or the base a nice mix without breaking any of your potatoes. We are now ready to add our fresh herbs. I'm using fresh coriander and mint. So first my dhania, which is my coriander, followed by mint, and this will really help with that flavorsome pilau. I can't stress how important fresh mint and coriander is. It makes the dish. So my rice has also been soaking. I'm now ready to add it. You can take out excess water if you wish. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of egg yellow coloring. We're going to give that a mix, and this is also going to help with the beautiful color of your pilau. Drop everything into your potatoes and mince. Spread it evenly, and now add some salt. We didn't want to over salt in the beginning, so it's best to add it now. And you can add some extra boiling water. Just cover the top of your basmati rice. Make sure it's all submerged. and then we're going to close our lid and let it steam. My basmati rice takes approximately 25 minutes to be ready. It's already steamed. I'm now ready to add some melted butter. Just drizzle some on. You can even add ghee if you wish. And once you've added your melted butter, you are now ready to mix your pilau. Make sure that you use your spoon and dig deep to the bottom of your pilau so you get all that lentils and mince and you're not breaking your potatoes. You can then garnish with some fresh coriander and serve with pickles and raita. I've got my raita recipe coming up next. So I'm only adding a 1/4 cup of sour milk or mas, 2 chillies, fresh Dhania, that's our coriander, fresh mint, salt to taste, a little bit of pepper, and a touch of cumin, which is our Jeera powder. Give it a quick blitz. So we only add a little bit of sour milk when we're blitzing because we're adding the rest to our bowl and we don't want it to be too thin in texture. Now you can add some grated cucumber, remove any excess water, or you can dice your cucumber, whatever you prefer. Followed by your mixture. Mix it all together and then you can serve this delicious raita with your mince pilau. It's so quick and easy to make and it also complements your pilau perfectly. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share and your comments are always welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena. Have a beautiful day.